Try mo, pakak! May game akong prepare sa atin ngayon. 99% usapan, 1% laro. Okay, nalimutan na, nagtsikahan na tayo eh. Baguhin ko lang yung name nito, Chismisan. Wala na storytelling na dito. Eh kayo kasi! Bago uli ako ma-distract, ayoko muna basahin chat nyo, bago ako ma-distract, may pinrepare akong laro para sa atin ngayon. Nakita ko sikat ngayon to na nilalaro mga streamers. Trees Hate You. It's only a demo, but I see a few clips about it. Ano context? It's just that. Trees hate you. May kasalanan to sa mga puno. I have no sins against the trees. Trees Hate You demo. I found it free and other streamers play it, so I wanna try it. Well, let's start new game. I already touched the game. Wait, why is it not responding? But ay, gumagana na. Read. Be sure to read every sign you see. You will never know when one will say something useful. So ito, alam ko yung mga natin, checkpoint. Eh, na-testing ko rin isang beses. Mamamatay tayo dyan. Kaiikot tayo. Ayan, hanggang dito pa lang ako. This is the only spot that I've been playing with. Can I fall? Okay, I can crawl. Okay, what's next? I'm not sure what will happen here, so let's go around. Oh, ginulat ako. While the TikTok isn't... Nakalimutan ko. Nadi-distract kasi ako eh. So this has a gun. Ayun. Another... Oh! Fade away. Okay, that tree is following me. What are we gonna do? Let's go here. Okay! Hindi ko na-expect yun. There will be a tree here, so ito. Ba't kaya sumusunod to? Okay, why is this one following me? Para natin iwasan to. Let's go straight. Oh, nananakot lang pala siya. Parang kayo guys, tinatakot niyo ako. Pakiramdam ko tayo si Alam niyo yung palabas na Lorax? These are the trees. The trees are now fighting back. Yan. So this tree... Kaya hinahabol tayo. We must run. Yun, fade away. Ito kaya. Ayun, fade away again. Okay, another tree. Wala na ang power to. Please! Para kayo mga puno rito sa laro eh. Inaharas na ako ng chat tapos kinakalaban nyo pa ako. Kayo ba to lahat? Mga tadis ko? Are you fighting? You really hate me? But, yan no, masela kayo. Mas malala kami sa trees. I can tell. Oh, dodge. Fade away. Okay, this one will shoot. Fade. This one will shoot again. Fade. I bet this one's gonna shoot. Fade. Rage bait? I'm not rage baiting. I am not rage baiting. I'm trying my best. Dodge. Gun. Tinalo ng puno? No! Hindi ako tinalo ng puno. Puta! Ngayon hindi ko na maiwasan! Ay! Ilag. Fade away. Fade away. Fade away. Oh, you know what? Fuck it. Tatakbo na nga lang tayo diretso. See? Ayun! Never mind. Halatang hindi. Uy, kala mo ah. Hindi, wag! Ikot. 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 Wag mo ako sundan. Baril. Dito. Fade away. Fade away. Fade away. Fade away. Nice. Saan tayo? Sumusunod. Cannot lose from a tree. Man is better than a tree. Huwag mo akong hampasin. Fade away. Toby. Fade away. Fade away. Fade away. Dito tayo. Fade away. Okay, safe. Top. Baril. Baril. Okay. Gun. Gun. Bawal kasi bro, please ba? Hindi pa ako galit. I am still calm. Nangahampas to. Diretso tayo. Dalawang nangahampas. Straight here. Straight here. Straight here. Okay. Takbo na. Yun! Checkpoint. Mahalaga malayo na rating natin. That's important. Okay, shoot. Shoot again. Shoot again. Okay. Diagonal. Straight. Straight. Baba. Inner piece. Di ba? Yan. Maubos din mga bala nila. This is a definition of life. How we fight our struggles. Non-violence. We go up here, up there, and here. And then we run. Ito yung hinahabol tayo ng mga taong galit sa buhay natin. Hindi natin sila pinapansin. Balik tayo rito. See? Now we read the signs. Kasi sabi importante. If you get stuck, press tab and check for trees. Ito ba? Okay. Check. Okay. Mahalaga alam natin yung pattern sa kanila. Diba? Kaya natin iwasan. Takbo rito. Takbo rito. Yan. Ito ba tawag galit? Na hindi pa nga ako galit. Upras, labas. Yan. Murahin muna natin to. Mas diretso na tayo. Op! May pahabol. Tataas blood pressure ito. Senior citizen pa naman. Hindi. Hindi tataas. Hindi ako papatalo sa mga puno. Stone path. Takbo. Baba. Taas. Mahaba pa pasensya ko. Don't worry. You need to worry. Don't worry. Okay. Back. It's only a pattern. Lahat ng laro, all games have a pattern. So, another one here. Stairs. So, quick fade. Up. See? Nakaiwas tayo. Yun, checkpoint. Hanip na yan. Okay. Check muna natin yung map. Let's go here. Let's go up top. Kala mo Hindi ako papadala sa ganun. So sa taas siya, sa baba tayo Sige, dalawa. Saan galing yun? Wala naman kanina yun Ay, hindi kasi dito ako dumaan. Sige, kasalanan ko yun. It's my fault. Paid. Yun. Okay, may barya. Pwede ko ba galawin? Yun, pwede nga. Oh! Shit. Nice! Huy! Bilis ko gumalaw. Ang lap trip. Masaya kayo no pag tinatawanan niyo ako. Layo ko na. Where are the trees? Yun! See? I am so smart. Big brain. Okay, so there's a way here. I expect that there would be a tree coming out here to hit me. Okay, no trees. Shit. We can't go down here. See that pile? This one here? I know a tree will come out of here. That's why we dodged that. Now the only problem is we will go up or right. Up? Okay, let's go up. Oh yeah, the spot. Okay, life is full of learning. So we must adapt and learn. Each time we learn, we improve. That chan ko. Masaya talaga sa pagdurusa ko, no? Puno, fall. We'll use this as a shield. See? Use it as a shield. Okay, we go here, straight. Fade away. Nice. Now we go down here. Block. 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 Work. Go down. We go up again. Go down here. Dadaan lang po sana, napatawa ko sa'yo. Every viewer of mine is always laughing at my suffering. So, I guess you're no exception. So, wag na tayo pupunta sa taas. Kasi last time may nagsuggest sa taas, pinahamak niya lang ako. Natatandaan mo yun? Still here? Yeah, thank you, Gia. At least one. At least one. Kahit papano, si Gia. Yung galing TikTok na pumunta sa Twitch. At least lumipat siya ng crowd. Lumipat siya ng audience. Para hindi siya mahawa at hindi siya ma-infect sa mga viewers ko, sa mga tadis ko, na gusto nila ako nakikitang mag-stopper. Uy, Gia, bubalik ka dito. Gia, please, do not go. Do not tempt yourself with one of your siblings, with your siblings. Lipat na ako Twitch? Yes, lipat kayo sa Twitch. Doon ang safe place. Pero pag pinagtitripan nyo ako sa Twitch, hindi na safe place yun. Bumalik na lang kayo rito sa Twitch. Sa TikTok. So we're not going up. Because one of our taddies, or just mga ating mga viewers, is Snake. So let's go here. Okay, mukhang isa lang daan. Okay, next, we bait. So may lalabas na puno rito. Yung isa rin nakampasin ako, so tatakbo tayo na mabilis. Pero, uy! After ng game na to, wala ka ng books, stress. Hindi naman siya nakaka-stress. Kailangan lang natin matuto sa mga patterns. Ang problema kasi, pag may bagong level, bago pa lang yung patterns. Bro, andyan pa rin? Hindi, nakaalis na ako. Hindi mo na naabutan, pero nakapang 10 pabalik-balik na ako rito. So, game plan, may manggigripo rito, nagripuan ako ng dadaan dito, nagripuan ako sa harap na puno, eto, nahampas ako rito. So, ito ang nag-iisang safe spot natin. This is our only safe spot. So, we must rush there. Oh, actually, we're kinda safe. Let's bait. Mga puno na to. They're nothing to me. It's a reflection of life. That we must overcome adversities. Inner peace. It's only one mistake. Nothing is wrong. Inhale, exhale. See, we dodge another bullet. Others will help us in life, and others will try to shoot us down. Others will try to backstab us, while others will pretend to help us, but we can also backstab them. Lumalabas si Shipu, I am not Shipu. In terms of wisdom, I am Shipu. Bait? Yan, like what I said, while you think other people will try to help you, others will try to backstab you. So we go here. See? Another backstabber. Dodge. No. No. Kobe. As you can see, nalagpasan natin 3 adversities. May narration every level. Nakaalis na din. Kahirap eh. Oh! See? Other times, trials and tribulations will fall out from the sky. But we must never falter. We must not be scared. Okay. Another one has fallen. We must not be afraid of the incoming future that will happen. Please. Meron pa ba susunod? Ah! See? Boy! And sometimes a hole in life will appear. A hole. Yes, a hole. It represents a whole new world with new fantastic points of view. We are like a shooting star. We could go so far in this never-ending feeling. But it is a hole. At lalong-lalo na sa hole na to, ayaw kong makita kung ano yung laman nito. Hayop na yan. But we must not falter. We must not be afraid. A new entrance in life could give us new opportunities. Nagbabalik-balik. Sa totoo lang, wala akong tiwala sa ano na to eh. Kasi puno rin to eh. Baka may biglang ilalabas eh. Oh, thank God. See? That tunnel is a representation of how we were able to enter a new paradise. Ano nga game to? Trees hate you. It's like a metaphor. A metaphor that trees are the people around you that we must always never be fear. No jump scare? Yeah, there's no jump scare. The only jump scare are trees. Nakakatakot yung mga puno rito. You have a gun? What? That, my friend, as you can see, other people might block your way. If they see that you're climbing life, others will try to hinder you. They will hinder your success. But the Lord offers new opportunities to us that we may enter. Pinahiya mo ako ron ah. Wow. Saan tayo dadaan? Ito pala daan. Bakit nadabay pa si Lord? It's just message. Can I get an amen? Rage bait balal. Yes, this game is rage baiting. Wanted, this loser. We must not judge them. Okay, na barrel. At least may save tayo. So we go straight up. Oh! Okay, malayo na tayo. We could see these 2 trees. I bet they're apples. O, diba? Some people in life might push us. Kagaya ng kasabihan, ang tumataas ay tumataas, ang binababa ay binababa. So we must go find another way. Where would I go? Oh, there we go. Watch out. From what that happened, we can see that there are other times people will try to scam us. That's why they say, pull me once, shame on you. Pull me twice, pa. Wala man that. Patuloy tinamaan ako nun. Hindi natin susunod dito sa sign na to kasi yung puno na to manloloko. Okay, another save. Treasure. Ayoko na rin maniwala sa treasure na yan. Okay, there. He's saying right. Let's go left. Huh? Okay, hinarangan na tayo. More trees. Gun trees? Smacky trees. Smacky trees. Trust issues malala? Yes. But we can overcome trust issues. Binalik ka sa una. In life, we must always return back kung saan tayo nanggaling. Para hindi natin makalimutan kung saan tayo nagmula. Ano tayo? Okay, we move here. Ba't di ako makagalaw? What happened? Wait, how did I got that first? Okay, we go. Let's move here. Let's go get the treasure. I just got the thorns. Skill issue? It's not a skill issue. These thorns are okay. Okay, we move fast. Why did I hit that? How did that happen? Just kill me. Let's go left, shall we? Right. What? How do I get that? Rage baiting trees. Yes, the trees are. But we will not falter. We will not get the baiting of the rages of the trees. How did I get that? How the hell am I getting the roots now? Dab trees is kinda low-key sus. All of these trees are low-key sus. Okay, we go back here. Let's just go here. What? What? Patience kailangan sa game na to. Yes, but we are a patient prog. We could win. Pero also, may nagbago ba? Di ba wala naman una to? This would be another representation of life. Sometimes it's full of surprises. Like this one. We must run because it will follow us. I don't know how to dodge that. You know what? Nagbago yung side. I just noticed that. Oh! Wait a second, I'm seeing a pattern here. So test try natin. Let's test try. It's pointing here in the right. So that means the thorns are here. Let's try it. If the thorns are here, yes, I was right. We're getting there. We're getting there. Now we know to play the game. Okay, now it's left. So the right way is right. See? I'm so good. Okay, now it's here. We go here. Boom. We hide here. We go here again. The balls. How can we outrun the balls? Huh? No! Okay. No! Okay. Nakalayo na tayo. Wala tiwala sa puno to. Let's go around it. I don't trust this game, arcade. Insert coin. I do have one coin. You insert a coin. Trees hate you. Oh shit. Ah! Hey! Whoa! Hello! The right way is here. But there's a new way. So we go here. There's a coin there. There's a new fat. Oh! Here we dodge. Ngayon yung apple, paano natin iwasan? Iwasan natin kung tatakbo tayo na mabilis. Marami sila. No! No! If you see a tree, don't go near it. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for that advice, Bansky. I'll try. I'll try not to get near it. Thank you, ah. Maraming salamat. You blew my mind. Save! Nice! Whoa. What is that? My guessing we can't. Okay then. We go around. Oh! No! Can walk. Oh, they tricked me. No, please. It's a trap. We need to learn how to escape it. Let's run fast. Let's dodge fast. You need to show the moves. You dodge here. Oh, fuck. Dodge that. Z. You're nice. Oh. Okay, let's go here. Stand up. Stand up. No! No! Stand up! Stand up! Yan, gapang. Hindi, wag ka dyan. Ay, napakagaling. Okay, nasa highway tayo. Surely, no. It's too good to be true. Sometimes life will walk across the street. No, sometimes life will pull us by. Oh! Success, you made a report. It is done. God damn it, it's also a tree killed me. I knew it. I freaking knew it. A tree. What? What the hell? Trisikai. Yeah, Trisikai. Ito, ang haba at hagdan na. Ale, nasa langit na ba? Ay. The Act 1. Tree Malice will continue in the full game. Thank you for playing my demo. If you enjoyed hating it, I hope you'll try the full game when it's finished. Except more levels, stranger surprise, and other wishlist. Wala na, babalik na sa tree, sa heaven si Saber. Hindi nga ako tinanggap. Nakita mo, binaksak ako ng puno. Not gonna lie, hindi ko inaasahan tatagal tayo sa laro na to, sobra. It is a fun game though. It is super, super fun.